Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon mandazi, and it's going to be a very easy recipe as always, and the outcome is going to be so delicious. If you're new here, I'm Scovia and I love showing you easy and amazing recipes. And to get started, I have a few ingredients. I have my flour, sugar, baking powder, a pinch of salt, milk, and of course I'm going to be using fresh lemon. So you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below in the right quantity. So to get started, I have my flour already in my bowl. I'm going to add in my baking powder. Next, I'm going to be adding in sugar. Then I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, not so much. These are the dry ingredients. Using a whisk, I'm going to whisk everything together to combine. Once combined, I'm going to add in my lemon zest. So I'm going to grate in the green part of the lemon, not the white. Once you add the white part when grating the lemon, your mandazi might turn out bitter because the white part usually is bitter. So I need about a tablespoon of lemon zest. That's why I'm using 2 lemons. That is about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. I'm going to use my whisk and whisk together the lemon zest into the flour until fully combined. Then I'm going to make a well at the center of my bowl, just like this. And then I am going to crack in 1 egg. Then I'll add in my milk. I'm going to use my whisk and mix the dry ingredients together with the wet. Add some more milk. Mix. Add the rest of the milk. I'm going to go in with my hands. Add a little bit more flour just to dust the dough. Your mandazi dough has to be soft. So at this point, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm going to knead in the oil into the dough. So this is how my dough is looking. After kneading for about 3 to 4 minutes, my dough is ready. So I'm going to cover and let the dough rest for about 10 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to move over to the stove top where I've placed a frying pan with oil. And then I'm going to let my oil get hot. In the meantime, I'm going to be rolling out my dough and cutting into mandazi. So this is how my dough is looking. So I'm going to cut a small chunk of the dough. And then I'm going to add some flour in my working surface. Place the dough on top, dust it around. Then using a rolling pin, I'm going to roll out my dough. I love how the dough has green spots on it because of the lemon zest. So at this point, I'm going to make mine a little bit thin because I love hollow mandazi. If you like your mandazi thick, you can roll out. If you like your mandazi thick, you can roll out the dough a little bit thick. Yes. I'm going to use my pizza cutter and cut out the dough. You can cut to any size that you like. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to carefully drop in my cut out mandazi. And I'm not going to be overcrowding because I need them to puff up. I'm frying my mandazi on medium flame. Don't put medium high because the mandazi will burn. Excuse me. Drop in my mandazi. I usually use the sides to drop in because I don't want to burn my fingers or the oil to splash on me. I'm going to be rolling out another piece of dough. Then I'm going to check on my mandazi and flip. They look amazing. Once I finish rolling out, I'm going to cut my dough. Just like that. Check on my mandazi. Then I'm going to add in my second round. Give the mandazi a minute, and then I'm going to be making, to be rolling out more mandazi. Can't wait to have one of these. They're going to be yummy. Check on my mandazi and they are ready. Look how gorgeous they look. I love this. This is so good. I'm going to transfer this to my bowl over here, and then I'm going to make the rest. I love the smell of the lemon when the mandazi are frying up. So good. And I can't wait to have this with my morning tea. Yeah, or afternoon tea. It's been an amazing 10 to 15 minutes while making my lemon mandazi, and I surely enjoy. The children have already taken 2 to 3 mandazis, but I'm happy they're enjoying their mandazi. So I also hope that you're going to enjoy making this lemon mandazi. So catch you on my next one. Bye.